What is a list? How to write list? Various operation on a list. What is a list? In day-to-day life, if you went for a shopping, you make a proper list of buying item. This buying item may be different, may be cloth or a grocery. In a similar way, imagine you having a different data. You have a number, you have a string, and you want to group this data together. If you work on arrays in C, C++, Java, like the same concept is here. If you know array, then it is good. If you don't know array, then it is very good. How to create a list? You have to write list1 equal to square bracket apple, banana, cherry, square bracket close, and write print list1. List1 is enclosed in a square bracket. List is a collection of a different or a similar data type. You can make a list like this also. The data of this list accessed by their index position also. Suppose you write list1 bracket 0, then it will print apple because apple at the index position 0. This is positive indexing. List1 minus 1, then it will print a cherry because it having two starting point. One is a positive and another is a negative. What if you forgot to write orange in this list? Is it possible to add data after the creation of a list? Yes, it is possible. List1 dot append. In normal bracket write orange. Dot append is used to add value at the end of a position of list. Suppose you want to print only banana and cherry. Now what we have to do here? Slicing operation plays an important role here. You write print bracket list1 square bracket 1 colon 3. List will be printed from 1 to n minus 1 index, means index 2. Only index 1 and 2 will be printed here. Suppose you don't want to print odd index, then write simply print list 0 colon 4 colon 2, means starting from 0 end at a index 3 with the step of 2. Suppose you want to create two identical lists, means you want to copy a list. Write list 2 equal to list 1 dot copy function. Print list 2. See, your list 1 is a copy into list 2. Suppose you want to join two lists. Watch it carefully. We have list 1. Yes, we create a new list. List 3 equal to bracket 1 2 3. Yes, new list equal to list 1 plus list 3. Firstly, list 1 copy and after list 3 will copy, means list 1 attached with list 3 and this whole list copy into new list. If you again forgot to add data in your list and you have to add this data at the top, list1 dot insert bracket 1 comma kb. 1 shows index position and kb shows data which you want to add that index. Print list 1. Here you only write index position and the value you want to add. Task for you for this session: calculate length of list 1, and you can pause this video, solve by yourself. Simply write print length of list 1. You will get length of list 1. So far we saw how to add data into list. Now we see how to remove data from list. Example, you don't want banana in your list. Then write list1 dot remove bracket banana. Means you have to write a data here which you want to remove from that list. Print list1. It remove particular data from your list. You wanted to remove last position of data. Then simply write this list dot pop function. If you know a stack operation, then you will surely know pop function here. Print list1. You see, you able to see means what is our list remain here. If you want to delete a particular data from particular position, simply use del list1 bracket 0 means index 0. Print list1. You able to see the data at index 0 removed. If you want to delete your whole list, then simply write del list1 print list1. This will cause an error because you have successfully deleted list1. Yes, so aliens, this is complete lesson on a list. In the next video we will see dictionary and tuple in a detail. I hope you enjoyed this video. Show your energy in the comment section.